Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and choosing to watch my video. If you are new here, welcome, and I'm glad that you are here. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So we are going to start today's video by making some breakfast, and today we are having vanilla cupcakes. And still in this video, we are going to do some decluttering, grocery haul, and also we are going to be having some yummy food which I am not the one who has cooked. So I hope you'll stick around for all that. But first things first, let's start on our vanilla cupcakes. I have listed the ingredients in the description box. Here are our cupcakes. They are ready. They are looking so, can I say beautiful? They are looking so lovely, and they also look yummy. They are so soft and fluffy, and the texture is light. This is just perfect. So we are in the kids' room, and I want them to sort out their shoes so that we can put away the ones that don't fit them anymore, because they are also eating space for nothing, space that we don't have. So it's always teamwork in this house. So you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So these are the ones that don't fit them anymore, and actually most of these shoes are new, especially the school ones. So I'll try to find where I can take them, because seriously I can't throw them, and maybe someone out there needs help. Later in the day, I went to the market and I bought ripe bananas, green bananas for matoke. Then I bought some hohos. I bought some cabbages, coriander. I bought avocados. This place has so many avocados. We've been enjoying them so much. Then I bought some tomatoes. Yes, I bought carrots, onions, some maize. I want to cook some githeri and beans. Yeah, those are yellow beans and dengus. And on this end, I bought some potatoes. Those were going for, the 2 kg tin was going for 150. I don't know why potatoes are expensive nowadays. Yeah, so that is all that I got from the market today.
Walking into the signs, red flashing lights by your side. Take a number this time. You can't save it tonight. Can't save it tonight. She said, take it, I want more, nothing like ever before. I can give it all. Take it, I want more, nothing like ever before. I can give it all. Tell me, have we met on a night out or in something that I read? That instead, I'ma find out. Heard it from a friend that you spent and you're running out. Take it now. Tell me, have we met on a night out or in something that I read? That instead, I'ma find out. Messages you sent to an end. You're hiding now. Why the doubt? Tell me, have we met? Heard it from a friend. Taking too long. Shaking on the phone. Red flagging by your side. So they can't get taken. Take it, I want more.
If you have just found this channel, my name is Marion. I'm a mom of 2 and I create content around cooking, cleaning, and home management.
Tell me, have we met on a night out or in something that I read? That instead, I'ma find out. Heard it from a friend that you spent and you're running out. Take it now. Tell me, have we met on a night out or in something that I read? That instead, I'ma find out. Messages you sent to an end. You're hiding now. Why the doubt? Tell me, have we met on a night out or in something that I read? That instead, I'ma find out. Heard it from a friend that you spent and you're running out. Take it now. Tell me, have we met on a night out or in something that I read? That instead, I'ma find out. Messages you sent to an end. You're hiding now. Why the doubt? Tell me, have we met? Heard it from a friend. Walking into the signs, red flashing lights by your side. Take a number this time. You can't save it tonight. Can't save it tonight. She said, take it, I want more, nothing like ever before. I
So this is what is going to be our supper today. I was too tired to cook, so I went out and bought some fries for the kids. We even bought ugali and some chicken. So I'll prepare some kachumbari on the side, and that will be our supper for today.
Red flag by your side, so they can't get taken. Take it, I want more, nothing like ever before. I can give it all. Take it, I want more, nothing like ever before. I can give it all. Tell me, have we met? Have we met on a night out or in something that I read? That instead I'ma find out. Heard it from a friend that you spent and you're running out. Take it now. Tell me, have we met? Have we met on a night out or in something that I read? That instead I'ma find out.
So today is Sunday, and we woke up, we went to church, and after church we went to our favorite spot for some lunch and some little fun for the kids. Yes, so thank you so much guys for watching this video, and until next time, it's bye bye for now.
Or in something that I read. That instead